What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, we're gonna go ahead and head on over back to Dezerland. It was supposed to be for we were supposed to be going to the Nissan Infiniti meet at Ace Cafe today, but we have some homies hosting an event over at Dezerland, and they've shown so much support and they've been pretty cool. So I definitely want to go and return the favor and show some support. Plus, I believe we'll be meeting up with some of the Infiniti homies over there as well, with the same goal in mind. So yeah, let's go ahead and head on over there. I recently had to raise the car up because the ride height where I had it, I was scraping a little bit too much in the front. So I just raised the front up a little bit. The rear is still the same, but this is how I ride around for now. Alright, so I pulled up. I'm pretty early. I'm not sure how the parking is going to be for this one. It is a Mazda event, so I'm going to kind of just walk up and see how it is. I don't mind not parking with everybody because, like I said, it is a Mazda event. Sorry if you didn't hear me, but yeah, like I said, it is a Mazda event, so we'll take a look, see what the scenery is. But yeah, let's go ahead and head on over. All right, we got the GQVQ president coming through. Looking perfect. The colors are great. Really clean. All right, very clean. All right, look how clean. Sounds great too. But we have a few other cars that showed up. Hard now. Hard. So I'm parked over there.
There you go. Yeah. Keep going. Yeah, but go backwards.
The president showed up. I'll show you another goodie over here too. There he goes. Looking and sounding good. All right, we got some showing up now. So parking next to the other. Eugene.
I'm not gonna say it's stressful as an excuse, but like,
Yep, we still got people pulling in. Still pretty early. The meet officially started 9 minutes ago, so we still got quite a few people showing up and on the way. So I'll be getting people as they're rolling in. As you can see, the GQVQs have a nice presence. Looks like they actually may run out of spaces in here. Yeah, we got another one pulling in now, so he'll be good, but they may be parking up front here. All right, we got a few more down on this end.
Small 4-cylinder SUV.
Love it.
Door down.
Nice. She on the ground. Got a few friends I know is gonna love this. These details, like, people need to see. Look at that. Perfect.
You know what he said at the end was, buddy?
Go ahead and do what you guys go ahead and do, and we'll see how it goes. All right, we have some more cars that showed up since the last time I did a clip. Oh yeah, also make sure you guys let me know which car is your favorite. I think I kind of already spoiled what mine is, but let me know what you guys like and what your favorite car is. A lot of dope cars out here. We'll see what else shows up too. Alright, so we did have a change up. The Miata's not over here anymore. And we've seen these cars, so I'll go to the end where they just added a few other cars. Alright, let's go back to this end here. What's up, dope M4? You're welcome. We saw that. It's pretty dope too.
Yeah, the boxer engines are insane. Oh yeah. Oh, I bought the JDL header for this.
Looks good. Okay, that's pretty dope too. Okay, so do apologize if the video ends abruptly. I actually kind of just started talking and hanging out with people. Then I grabbed some food, and I guess I forgot to end the video. Definitely shout out to Melissa and the Mazda Evolution team she has going. Make sure you go ahead and give her a follow. I'll put a link to her Instagram down below, so you can follow her. She definitely hosts quite a few Mazda events, and her and her husband are basically the people to know if you are dealing with Mazda. But yeah, I'd like to thank them for hosting that event and for the invite and everything. But let's go ahead and wrap this one up, and we'll go ahead and do the comment of the day. And the comment of the day goes out to, and if you'd like to be selected for comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment down below. Who knows, you could be next. But I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.